This 2026 Dynamax Corp Dynaquest XL 3801TS is a Super C RV. It is located in Norcross, Georgia, 30071 and is offered for sale by Southland RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dynamax Corp is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features a Milano interior, sleeps 6, slide-out, and 94 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2026 Dynamax Corp Dynaquest XL 3801TS is built on a Freightliner M2 2112 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.